G'day, that's slotcar guy here, and welcome back to another delivery unboxing. And today's is truly epic. I'm speechless. Thank you, BRM. You've sent me two absolutely stunning 124 scale cars to review, tear down, and test. And I tell you what, I'm still blown away that these things are slot cars. So thank you very much. We'll get stuck into that just a tick. And also a massive thank you to an Australian, Melbourne-based vehicle car nut apparel company. Thank you very much for sending me a t-shirt to unbox and reveal. I really appreciate the support. So let's get stuck into the unboxing of the two BRMs, and let me show you this beautiful t-shirt I received from Garage 79. So welcome back to another delivery unboxing, and I did say in the intro, this is gonna be epic because it's blown my mind that these two cars that BRM have sent me are slot cars, and you'll see why in a tick. But before we get into the BRM slot cars, I'm gonna do a massive thank you and a shout out to Garage 79. They're a Australian-based, Melbourne-based vehicle apparel company. So what does that mean? They do t-shirts and hoodies and other stuff with vehicles on them that we love. And what did they send me? I reached out to them and said, hey, love your stuff. I found them on Instagram. Straight away I was taken in by the designs and said, can I review one of these on my channel? And as the bird said, they said yes. So what did they send me? Let's take a quick look. Now again, check out their website, which I'll put up now. If this car isn't for you, they've got cars for everyone. First up, this beautiful thank you card. It's their branding, garage79.com. Beautiful thank you card, so thank you guys. But this is the star of the show. And the reason I'm not wearing it, I wanted to reveal it first and then have it wearing in my next videos. And now, if you don't know what car that is, well, you're not a VW nut. So we've got the VW bus there. Beautiful design, big. I was surprised how big the actual print was. I thought it was going to be a little print in the corner. So I'm actually thrown away by the detail and the size of the print. Really, really cool, good quality apparel. Again, I found them, reached out to them, and they said yes straight away, and I could not believe it. So thank you guys. I really appreciate the support. I will be wearing that in my next video. They are an Australian, Melbourne-based company. Please support them. It's quality stuff, and the designs are pretty damn good. So check them out. Here's the website. You might not like VWs, but there's other stuff on there, and I think you're going to be pretty impressed at their collection and quality. So thank you guys. But what are these two cars that BRM have sent me? And again, I'm going to do a tear down, a hot lap, all the rest of it on these two cars separately, but they deserved an unboxing reveal right now. So we're going to do the full box and dice later on, but I'm going to show you exactly how I saw them. I came home from a long day's work. I work full time. This box is sitting on the counter. I walked in, undid the box, and here it was. This is the first one I looked at, and my jaw hit the ground. But first off, look at the size of this box. You know we're talking about 124 scale here. Everything's big. Everything is big. And the reason I called it a model, wait till you see it, but this thing goes around your track. But what is this car? Let me quickly read the sleeve. Not going to do a full teardown today. We're just going to have a quick look at it. It is the Camaro Z28 Black Edition. Hold on to your horses because this is where it gets wild. Let's take the lid off. And I just want to show the car quickly. Look at that. That is a slot car. That is unbelievable. There's a 1/24 figure in there. Again, I haven't done a full teardown yet, but we will have a look at what you get in the box, what the car looks like, the chassis, and everything else in between. So that is the Camaro, and sorry about the magpies there, getting excited. That is the Camaro Z28 Black Edition. Check out their website, BRM. You've blown my mind. I'm going to leave that there because I want you to keep staring at it. I will be doing a full teardown and a review of that, but if you're not wanting to wait that long, jump on their website and grab one. Just looking at it, it's worth buying. Wait until I test it, but oh my God, my videos will be coming, but don't miss out on one of these because they're pretty good. Now, what was the next thing I received? That was enough. And I was like, oh my God, this is slot car heaven. Then I pulled this out. Yes, I did a Revo slot video not long ago, and they had the little logo on the Supra. It showed the Castrol. Remember, Revo slot uses BRM components, so everything's going to look a bit similar, which we're talking quality. And I pulled this little sucker out. It's a smaller box, still 124, It's a Jägermeister car, but what a beautiful looking box. Now, we're not going to talk too much about that. We're going to get it out. I'm going to show you guys quickly. And again, thank you, Andrew, for getting these to me, mate. I am seriously speechless. Have a look at that. A BMW 2002 Jaeger livery slot car. Take a look at that body kit. This is a slot car. And I don't want to show you too much more because we are going to do a full teardown on both of these cars individually. So again, thank you BRM. I am seriously blown away by the support. They did send this to me. They know it's going to be an honest review. If I find stuff I don't like about them, of course I'm going to tell you guys because I want to do an honest review on these cars. But just looking at them, I think we're in good hands. Thank you for the support. The channel's going great. Thank you to the companies that send me stuff. We're having so much fun, guys. At that slot car guy again. Take care. Ciao.